Welcome to Financial Jojo. My name is Josh, and this is the market update. Please hit the like and subscribe button to get the latest market moving news. Hope everybody had a wonderful day yesterday. It was beautiful, it was green, it was everything we could have hoped for. The major indexes all closed green. We had the Dow Jones up 1.22%, the S&P was up 1.58%, Nasdaq was up 2.53, and the Russell was up 2.76. And then we saw the VIX was down 9.28%. Like I had talked yesterday about the Russia-Ukraine geopolitical issues currently going on, we had Putin said that he had started to pull back some of the Russian troops, which of course the markets showed us that they loved that. All right, so let's take a look at our first article today. Some of the stocks that were making the biggest moves after hours yesterday, we had Airbnb, Roblox, and Wynn Resorts. So let's take a look down here. Airbnb was up 5% in after-hour trading. They had earnings yesterday. Wynn Resorts had a decline of 2% in after-hour trading. Denny's was a decline of 10% after they had disappointed in their fourth quarter earnings. Roblox, let's focus on that now. The shares of the gaming company dropped more than 12% after Roblox posted disappointing earnings, top and bottom line. The company lost 25 cents per share during the period and reporting sales of $770 million. Wall Street expected the company to lose 13 cents per share on the revenue of 772, so they missed there. So let's take a look at Roblox. Here's another article that I pulled up. They did miss on the top and bottom, but their revenue did jump 84% year over year. Let's take a look here. They were up 7.29 for the day, and then in after hours, they dropped 15.28%. So look at that. Oof, rough. And we are really just seeing how volatile the market is right now. Right now, earnings are really making it or breaking it, and we're seeing big jumps. Let's take a look. So some of the risk that we're seeing in Roblox is that the company is currently unprofitable, and they are not forecasted to be profitable in the next 3 years. Also, with that lack of profit, you're also seeing a lot of volatility in just this stock, not just the market, but in Roblox in general. And then some of its competitors, we just talked about Activision, Blizzard, with the Microsoft acquisition on that. And then we also have EA and Take-Two Interactive and Zynga. So, just looking at the competitors, of course, Activision, Electronic Arts are going to be more established. So they're healthier stocks. So let's take a look at the valuation right now. The price is $73.30. And of course, that was before this big drop here. It's down to $62.10 currently. And the analysts are seeing the fair value of that is about $99. So they are seeing 26% upside to that. We'll take a look at that in just a second as well. But like I was saying, the future growth, their growth was up year to year. Let's take a look at where the top analysts see Roblox in the next 12 months. So we're looking at 103.89. So that's a 41% upside with 10 ratings, moderate buy currently. All right, for the next story, we're going to take a look at a little bit of crypto Metaverse stuff here for you. All right, Jpmorgan is the first bank into the Metaverse, looking at business opportunities. Okay, so I've been talking a lot about the sandbox. This one is in Decentraland. So this is going to use Mana. So we'll take a look at Mana pricing and what it's been doing. But so in this Metaverse play, if you guys are keeping track of all that, Jpmorgan opened up a lounge, the Onyx Lounge. Very cool here. So they had released a paper exploring how businesses can find opportunities in the metaverse, and they believe there is a lot of client interest wanting to learn more about essentially what they can do in the metaverse. And of course, you keep on hearing about NFTs and everything. But the real play is, I've been reading articles I saw McDonald's wanted to do where you could order in the metaverse and have it delivered in real life. So I think that's going to be your main play here currently, is more retail gets into it. But I think the main part that Jpmorgan was interested in was the virtual real estate market. And they kind of want to get into the services just like in the physical world, where credit, mortgages, retail agreements, where they could basically use their experience to position themselves. Let's see, here it is. Longstanding core competences in cross-border payments, foreign exchanges, financial assets creation, trading, and safekeeping, in addition to their at-scale consumer foothold, can play a major role in the metaverse. So, like I said, we're going to see kind of that blur of where you do something in the metaverse and it happens in the physical world. So that's going to be the play. Like I said, I've been obviously Sandbox, just pushing that because I think that's where I'm going to see my money going. So let's take a look at Jpmorgan's current stock price. So they're currently at 154.72 for the day, up 1.46, and it's been trading, let's see, year to date. So currently down 4.32% for the year. And they've been they're up about 7% since last March. Let's see what the top analysts have to say for Jpmorgan Chase & Co. So the top analysts are seeing a price target of $176.33 over the next 12 months. That's 18 analysts with a moderate buy rating. So let's jump in over in here. All right, so here is the day for Mana. It's currently up almost 12% for the day. And we have for the week, we're just under 1%. So basically trading sideways on that. And then, of course, for the month, we're up 10%. And for the year, 961% if you jumped in there back in March when it was trading at 25 cents. So huge gains if you would have got into it early. My other metaverse play that I've been looking at, Sand, we're currently down. For the month, we're down almost 10.5%. And for the day, we're up 4.6%. Also in the crypto universe here, if you want to look for Bitcoin was up 1.34% for the day, and for the week it's 1.85%. So that's what I'm looking at on the crypto plays. Like I said, Mana, and we have the Sandbox. Those are my two go-tos. Of course, I got a little bit of a position in Sand. I haven't started too much in Mana yet, but those are my two main metaverse plays that I'm looking at. So like I was just discussing, I do have my position in Sand, and I've been looking to get a bigger position in Mana. So if you use my link below, you can get $10 in Bitcoin when you trade $100. They do have Mana. They do have Sand. So if you're looking to get into the Metaverse play, invest your money in that, you can use my link for Gemini. And also, I do have my Moo link below. So when you sign up using my link below, you get a free share of Lucid when you deposit $100. Also, they have different levels, and you can get up to five free stocks with my Moo link below. So take advantage of that. It's fantastic. You guys have a wonderful day. Get out there. Hopefully we see more green. And then, we'll be back tomorrow.